So hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to solve a problem faced by many students while storing the MP3 files, image file or video file on their mobile storage while developing the Android application. So these are two types of error. The first one is EACCES permission denied and the other one is the EPERM permission not permitted. So we are going to solve this problem in this tutorial. So basically we are giving the path by getting the environment external storage directory, and in this way this is the old conventional path and cause the problem in most of the cases. So for this we will have to get the path for storage our MP3 file in another way, and this can be implemented on storing the image file and audio file as well. So for this we will get the external storage path in different way. We will make a function here, private string, and we will make context wrapper and get the context of this application. So I am going to get the music directory in the same way if you are storing the image file. So I am going to get the music directory in the same way if you are going to access the, if you are going to save the image file, you can get the photo directory. And if you are going to store the video file, you can get the video directory. So I am going to get music directory, but if you have image, you can get pictures or downloads or any directory. And we will write the path, and we will write the name for our file. Now delete the old conventional way of giving the path, give the path we have just initialized. So we are getting some error here, and we have to return this path as well. So guys, let me launch my real Android device. So my real Android phone is connected. Let me build and compile this application into my real Android device. So guys, if now I am going to click the record button, you can see here my recording is started and everything is working fine. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So stop it. Recording is stopped, and we can play what we have recorded.
You can see here my recording is started and everything is working fine. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So stop.
So guys, we can find the path where our file is being stored. For this, we will have to open our ES File Explorer application. So if you have not installed it, you can install this application by going on the App Store, and from here search for Android and go to the Android. From here go to data and search for our application. So our application will be stored against our bundle name of our application, com.example.voice recorder, and this is present here. Double click on it. In the files, in the music, yes, we can see our MP3 file which is being stored here. So this is the recording of our file and stored against the exact name we have given for our file. So guys, this is enough for this session. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please write down in the comment if you have get the solution for your problem. So this is enough for this session. See you in next video.